Hi guys, we are in Ufa city in the square of Salavat Yulaev on behalf of Salavat Yulaev. It is huge fountain here and you see Congress Hall there and monument in behalf of Salavat Yulaev is right there. It is very huge monument, the hero of Bashkort nation on the horse, and we will go there and look at it. This is monument to Salavat Yulaev. He's very famous person. He's hero of Bashkort nation. He struggled against colonization of Bashkort lands by Russian Empire. And this monument is dedicated to him here in Ufa city. And you see lots of people here, and Agedel River is also here. Let's look at this monument again. It is a very huge monument. And let's look at Agedel River. You see, it is a very beautiful river. And lots of people walking here. And this very building, it is White House. White House is the place where President of Republic of Bashkortostan and government of this republic are located. This is Congress Hall, and you see Hilton Garden Inn, huge hotel there. And monument to Salavat Yulaev is there. And you can find telecenter here. It is the place of TV, the main place where Bashkort television is located here on Gafori Street in Ufa. So if you are in Ufa, visit this place. It is must-see place. It is very famous place. And look at monument dedicated to Salavat Yulaev. It is right there. It is monument dedicated to Salavat Yulaev.